I know what today's buyers are looking for, and I know how to make your home stand out. From strategic pricing to polished marketing and skilled negotiation, I don't just list homes, I position them to sell smart.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission.
Selling a home is more than a transaction. It's a major life decision. Whether you're a first-time seller, upgrading or downsizing, relocating, or listing a luxury property, you need more than just a sign in a yard. You need a strategy, a sharp presentation, and someone in your corner who knows exactly how to position your home for today's market. With 4 years of hands-on experience working with buyers, sellers, and investors across both resale and new construction homes, I bring a full scope of understanding of what drives results. I know what today's buyers are looking for, and I know how to make your home stand out. From strategic pricing to polished marketing and skilled negotiation, I don't just list homes, I position them to sell smart. My clients consistently give me 5-star reviews from my clear communication and responsiveness, and that's no accident. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. I believe in transparency, availability, and trust. Because selling your home shouldn't feel confusing or stressful. You deserve to feel confident and informed every step of the way. I stay ahead of local and national market trends, so you don't have to. And I build custom strategies tailored to your goals, whether you're navigating the process for the first time or you've done this before. I make sure every detail is handled with care, focus, and follow through. And if you speak Tagalog, I've got you covered. I'll break things down in the language that feels most natural to you, so nothing gets lost in translation. At the end of the day, I treat every listing like it's my own home, and every client like a VIP. Your goals are my goals. So let's make your next move a successful one.